press here in the middle and all the way back. More? Okay, good. Let's go.
Okay.
So paddle shift if you want.
Okay.
Let's go. So we turn here left and then right.
Yes. It's an automatic or manual?
It's automatic, but if you start using paddle shift, it goes into manual. Now we accelerate down the middle. And brake, brake, turn right, and brake again, and right, accelerate. Right and slowly turn around. Try not to go to full lock. And brake right and left. Right, slow down, we turn right here, and up. And we turn around, very good.
Thank you.
Did you like it?
Yes, very much. Amazing.